Anakhya. It is everywhere. This is a misunderstanding. I am, the I is inside of my body. It's a misunderstanding. How? We are looking the other person. If I am looking you, normally what I will think, you don't have any I. I am giving 100% for my I. But normally I am not ready to accept the other's I. They are also giving 100% for their I. We are communicating through the I. If the feel of I will lose, we cannot understand what the person is talking. The same way, the I is connecting between. Our communication is going through the I. You can understand. I am hearing. You can understand. I am thinking. I am saying. So the I is common. Where is the end point of your I and my I? I is not this body. If the body is I, we cannot communicate because two objects without any wire we are communicating through the mobile, but we are communicating the mind. But how it is the connection is working? So the I is connecting everybody. We are communicating with the dogs, elephants. Inside of the elephant, the same I is standing there. It is not moving. Everywhere, it is everywhere. The body is moving. All of our body is moving. We can observe that the I will come to a clear outcome. We can experience the I. In the world, the I is the real. The whole other is fake. We can experience that. That's why the Shakti mentioning in Lalita Sahasranama Shiva Jnana Pradayini. So we can go through the meditation, go to inside of Sri Vidya meditation, we can go and experience. We will start to experience. If we go in a proper way, we will start to experience the I, the core base of I. Then slowly, the world, this imagination of this world will disappear slowly. Then only we can go through correct way. We have to think this world is real. In Tantra, Tantric Advaita. It is different from Shankara Advaita and Kashmiri Shaiva Advaita. It is different in the starting level. But in the upper level, it is both are same. That's why the Mishra path is coming to that is the importance of Mishra path. It is combining both of this and finding the correct truth. So it is important. We have to study the subject from the real truth of my I, our experience. What is our experience? What is others' experience is not my matter. My concern is what is my experience. If I will know tomorrow, then I am not thinking about you. After tomorrow, I am not going to think about you after tomorrow, because today night, if I will die, there is no relevance of your experience after that. It is foolishness, utter foolishness. Maybe you will experience the sun, the river, the sky. But today night, if I am going to die, according to me, next day there is no sun, river, air, the sky, nothing. If I am thinking from your point of view, after my death, the people are creating the big monuments. They are conquering the lands, accumulating the land. They are trying to maintain their name after death continues. It should continue forever. It is a foolishness. Because after my death, if you are praising me, what is the relevance? Because I am not there to experience or enjoy that praising. It is foolishness. We can believe after my death, my name should continue. If I am thinking like that, I am the top fool in the world. Because I am not going to enjoy that, because I will die. I am not there. The same way, the whole concept about this universe, the center of the universe is outside. The whole concept is a big foolishness. Because if my death, the difference of the dates are not a bigger thing. The counting. If I will die after one day, or you will die after one day, I will continue for 10 years. What is the importance of that? Nothing. Because before me, crores of people dead. After me, the crores of people will go to die. So, what is the relevance in that? If I am continuing from the starting level of the Big Bang, the Bindu, to the infinity, if I am the only one person is going to live, then it is good, it is scientific, it is some importance, some relevance are there to create name and fame and continue thinking if it will continue forever. It is good if we starting the research from the outer side. It has some kind of relevance. But the real search should start from inside, from our experience. What is my experience? Because I am researching, I am watching, I am thinking, I am understanding, I am talking. I is there silently. Without I, the whole kind of research are useless. Maybe it is beneficial for others, but in the level of reality, in the experience of reality, it is a foolishness. But it is selfishness. I'm agreeing with that. Selfishness is not good. Everything are okay. But the truth, unfortunately, I have to say the truth. The truth always not looking the ethics and the soft corner or something. It is not looking always the laws and our interest. Yeah, we have the interest because don't be selfish. But the law of the universe is selfish. All animals are selfish. Human being is basically an animal. We are the reptile system, we have the body. That's why the flight and fight situation is always coming. The adrenaline is creating and palpitation. Everything is happening because of our body is an animal body. So the reality is selfish. By the concern about others. That's why we are coming to the experience of one and feeling the same thing and we are behaving better in the form of sacrificing, it is good. But if you try to experience the truth, we cannot experience the truth with our concepts or interest. We have to be empty. The research bias. Don't allow the research bias. The research should be perfect. Then we can go ahead. It will increase the speed of the development. We have to remove the bias. If I am not ready to study about me, our knowledge will be half truth, not full. The psychology is developing very slowly compared to other research fields. Why? Because it is the science about the inner world. We have to use some other kind of learning style, because that style is the selfishness. That is the real truth. I have to inquire about my experience. I have to give the importance about my experience. Then only we can free from this dream. So we can experience the realities or the real secret of the production of the creation of the universe.